This is a gnarly little hill climb we got here. Ruts, all kinds of. Here we go, Clint. Clint Schrader, ladies and gentlemen. And we got him. Do a little wheelie at it. Okay, this hill is steeper than it looks on camera. What? I said this hill is steeper than it looks on camera. Couple of wild men. Okay, you almost took my cojones off. Should have wore a jock.
A jock, not a jock.
Mom, please let me do it.
Maybe in a minute. You know what? That's recording you.
That's the geek man right there.
Long hill. What is it? Not as long when you get up to it.
Nope. Yep.
Fun in the winter. It's really like inner tubes to go down. Oh. Who's this? I don't know how steep it is. That's a young cat. That would be fun because that was. But if it was too steep, you wouldn't want it. That's not too steep at all. It's like about an hour from Rosa.
Do your dad. Do your dad.
Middle of winter. Is that my dad? Oh! Ah! One of the guys that went had a four-wheeler. Had like a
Uh-oh, there he went.
4 years,
He's
something like
down.
that. Oh, your husband's so down.